Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious whipped cream without a mixer. It's surprisingly easy and requires just a few basic ingredients you likely already have on hand. We'll go through each step, from selecting the right cream to achieving that perfect fluffy texture. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this simple, homemade treat that elevates any dessert. Let's get started. The secret to successful hand-whipped cream begins with chilling your equipment. Place your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for at least 15 minutes, or even longer. This cold environment helps the fat molecules in the heavy cream firm up, allowing them to trap air more effectively. A well-chilled bowl and whisk will significantly reduce your whipping time and ensure a light, airy result. Don't skip this vital preparation step. Now for the fun part, the whipping. Pour 1 cup of your very cold heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin whisking with strong, consistent strokes. You'll notice the cream thickening and forming soft peaks first, then stiff peaks. This process typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes of continuous effort. Keep going until it reaches your desired consistency. Knowing when to stop is key to perfect whipped cream. Keep an eye on the texture. You want it light and fluffy, not grainy. Over-whipping can quickly turn your beautiful cream into butter. For more stable whipped cream, especially if serving later, consider adding 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with your sugar. Enjoy your freshly made, airy whipped cream immediately for the best experience. It's a delightful addition to any dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.